Good evening. Today on Fantasy World, we must discuss the problems of the world. Governments, please do your jobs. Ministers, prime ministers, presidents, priests, why are you men in position not doing your work properly? Okay, if I could change one thing about this world, it would be people in power who is not using the power to the right effect. Okay? So, if we need a resistance for anything, it's against that sort of evil that doesn't acknowledge its own surroundings. As I walk out in the street today in Bristol, UK, I can see a lot of homeless people on the street. This is me, Rasta Rapper Salsa, reporting for the people, on behalf of the people, because I am the people, I'm out here. So, just keep tuned, logged in, and make sure you keep your surroundings safe. Imagine this. If shit is on your shoes, then you must clean that shit off. Can't just walk around with shit on your shoes. Yeah, same thing, Mr. Government. Got to sort out the stuff. Wipe the shit off your shoes while you still have time. Everything must come to a head at some time. Yeah, over and out, without a doubt. Me, big bad and stout, giving the evils a clout. Out. Fantasy World. And this is me, Rasta Rapper, reporting on behalf of the people. I love y'all. Be careful. The government is not protecting us at all. Over and out. Another segment on today's news. The weather is fair. It's also a beautiful day. As you can see in the background, it's meant to be winter, but the weatherman got it so wrong. And now I know the true weather, and I'm reporting it to you. It's sunny. Fairly fair. Beautiful. Kind of mild. Bit chilly still. But yeah, this is your favorite Rasta Rapper, Salsa, over and out, reporting on behalf of Fantasy World, making your fantasies a reality.